Hello everyone, this is a way you can generate with free AI that's quite new with canva.com. All you do is sign up for it, go to canva.com, and it's an easy sign up process. You can go either pro or free, and this is actually can be done in free. You can do all these things. This is the home page, and you can have your projects and then assign them, but we are going to the area where you can get the AI designs. Okay, so let's just do a thumbnail. So we hit that automatically. You'll go to a new screen. There it is. And you orient yourself. You have to go to the left part of the board here of the screen and move down until you see text to image. Once you click on that, this is where you will put in your description. And it's very important to do descriptions, and you can play around with that more or less. And I'll show you a website that you can get some ideas from. And then you go down here and you can surprise me. You can have a photo, you can have a drawing, okay, 3D painting, and so on. Just keep clicking this arrow. Okay, once you put some information here, you go down and this will turn purplish color, and you'll hit generate image. So I already did one. Let's see over here. Okay, so I put this a photo of an extremely cute alien fish swimming in alien habitable underwater planet, coral reefs, dreamlike atmosphere, water plants. Okay, so you would hit this generate button, but now since I already did it, you can ask to generate more, but this will disappear. So let's choose this one. All right, let's do this one and just try to make this bigger. And you can cut it off. Remember, this is for a thumbnail on YouTube. You can make this bigger or smaller and adjust it to size. And if you don't like it, just go back and redo this again. You can move it down so you can see a little bit of this image better, like this. Alrighty. Maybe like this a little bit. You have to play around with it a little bit. It's already cut off almost over here, so this will be cut off. And if you don't like it, well, you can save it by saying if you don't like it that much, but you can save it. Otherwise, this will disappear if you generate more. So let's save it. For example, I want it to be a PNG, so we download. We hit the PNG, and we figure out the name, fish design, for example. Fish, cute fish. Okay, let's try this again. We go down this way, down, we download PNG. You can have other formats too, whatever your needs are. And download, we've named it, and it will appear over here. Okay, so we have this. But if you don't like it, we can hit generate more. And this is how it looks like. You have these little stars, it will generate more. We continue waiting a little bit, and we have some more stuff. You can generate a little bit more, but I think there is a limit per day how you can generate. Oh, this one is really cute. Maybe I like this one. So you hit on it, and there it is again. Oops, that's too many. I have another one. And so you can use this one instead of that one, or you can have more than one. And then you can use your creative juices. Now, also for getting ideas, you can go to this website called LEXICA. It is run in the background by what's called Stable Diffusion. You can join their Discord too to get into the community. So I put in fish alien with reef, and I hit search, and this is what it came up with. Okay, if you don't like it, you can continue scrolling. For example, I liked. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this one. This is so cute. Alrighty. Maybe this one also is nice. So you hit on it. And there it is. Photorealistic 8K, the underwater world, the beautiful colorful fish, crabs, shells. Okay. So you can either copy the prompt, or I just go like this, Control C, and you can go back to something like this. This is a fresh one here. Put in here. Okay, you can add something like this. Reef. You can add a little bit more. And let's see, do I want a photo or a drawing? I think I want a photo. Let's do a photo. Let's see. And generate image. So this is how it's done. Easy peasy. And it comes out so fast. Wow. Since I wanted like a photo, we can have this one. Isn't this cool? Let's use this one. And then again, just make it bigger if we like it. Arrange it. Okay, we can just do this again. I did one too many. And just make it bigger. So this is how you see it. If you don't like it, this one again, you can edit image here, and you can make it in a different color schemes, whatever it is. I mean, there's so many choices that you can do. This will change the color, and they are creating this with photo mosh. So look, from this we have something like this. I mean, the world is your oyster with this AI and Canva. So if you have any questions or any suggestions, please let me know. And this is how we can get this done, and how quickly, and how many different ways. What a way to get things done faster. Thanks, and hit like and subscribe. Au revoir.